Guys, Isaac here with Hobbs Homes. Daylight savings times is this weekend, and if you're like me, you got plenty of reminders of this already. And I use my phone for my clock anyway, so it'll reset automatically, which means I don't even have to change it. I'm just gonna have to get up an hour earlier on Sunday, so it's no big deal. This is a great time to kind of take 20-15 minutes out of your day to, while you're setting all the clocks in your house, to also do a couple of maintenance and home safety checks. Number one, go ahead, go through, check all your fire smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detectors, make sure they're in working condition, don't need new batteries or anything like that. Some people recommend that you just go ahead and replace the batteries anyway. Seems a little bit wasteful. I'll leave that up to you, but it's something to keep in mind. Number two, pull out your dryer, double check the vent behind there. That can get filled up with lint and become a fire hazard. So it's a great time to just go ahead, pull it out, look at it, make sure that it's not building up, clean it out. While you're there, double check the rodent filter that should be on the outside of the dryer vent. Make sure that it's in still working condition so that you don't have insurance for rodents to get into your house, especially as we come up to the spring and summer months. Number three, replace the furnace filter. Doing this on a consistent basis will really help your furnace get a much longer lifespan, and it'll also help the air quality in your home, so it's going to be a health benefit for you in the long run as well. Number 4, 5, I'm losing count. Go ahead, take a look at the fire extinguisher. You should always have one, pretty close to your fireplace, or in the kitchen, in a place that could you have fire hazards. Make sure that it's in working condition. I forget how those things work exactly, whether it's like filled or replaced or whatever. But I do know there's a dial on each fire extinguisher that tells you whether it's in working condition or not. Great time to double check and make sure that you have a working fire extinguisher instead of finding out the moment you need it. Other things you might do are do a security check around your house. Make sure all the gates are working, latching correctly. Double check all the windows on the ground floor, that they're able to close properly and open properly, and are able to latch and not leave in a security issue for you. And if you want to get really in depth, now's a great time to review your safety in case of emergency plan with your family. Make sure, hey, if there's a house fire or something that we need to evacuate the house, we all know where we're going to meet, that your kids know how to get out of their bedrooms and what to do in case of an emergency related to your house. A couple of things to keep in mind. Hope this is helpful. Not going to remind you to set your clocks because you probably don't need that reminder anyway. However, I will remind you that if you know anybody looking to buy or sell this spring that I can help, please let me know. I'm always looking for more clients that I can help just like you. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.